If you're wondering how to automate travel expense approvals in Navan, this video is for you. We'll walk you through everything you need to know, from the basics of setting up Navan for your company's travel expense management to automating approvals seamlessly. Stick around until the end because I'll share an exclusive bonus that will help you get started with Navan for free. Now, let's dive in. First, what exactly is Navan? It's a comprehensive travel and expense management software designed to streamline the entire process, from booking business trips to handling the often tedious task of expense approval. This makes it an invaluable tool for businesses looking to save time and improve accuracy in their travel expense workflows. When it comes to automating travel expense approvals, Navan is particularly powerful. Rather than manually reviewing and approving every travel-related expense, Navan allows you to set up automated approval workflows. You can configure it to automatically approve expenses based on certain criteria like cost thresholds, policy compliance, or predefined approval chains. This cuts down on the need for repetitive manual checks and ensures that your team stays within budget while traveling. One of the standout features in Navan's approval system is its ability to integrate with your company's existing policies. You can set up rules that match your specific needs, like restricting first-class bookings or limiting meal allowances. This ensures that only compliant expenses make it through to the next stage and the approval process remains smooth and hassle-free. As for the approval process itself, Navan simplifies it by automatically notifying the relevant people when approval is needed. This can be a manager or finance team member, depending on how you've set it up. They'll receive an email or a notification within the system, giving them a clear view of the expense being submitted for review. And once it's approved or denied, Navan updates everything in real time, so there's no lag between submission and final approval. The best part? You don't need to worry about dealing with paperwork or constantly chasing down receipts. Navan integrates directly with your company's payment methods and pulls in digital receipts automatically. So, when an employee submits an expense, everything, down to the receipt, is already attached to the transaction, ensuring that the approval process is transparent and fast. For larger companies or those with multiple teams, Navan also lets you set up approval hierarchies. For example, small expenses can be approved by department heads, while larger ones require higher level management. This hierarchical system helps ensure the right people are involved in approvals without bogging down the process with unnecessary layers of approval. But it's not just about automation, it's about integration. Navan connects with other software solutions like your accounting software or ERP system. This means that once an expense is approved, it can automatically sync with your accounting system for faster processing and easier reporting. It saves your team from having to manually input data, minimizing human error and improving overall efficiency. If you're already using Navan for travel bookings, automating travel expense approvals is a no-brainer. The platform is designed to seamlessly connect all aspects of business travel into one easy-to-manage workflow. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, Navan offers scalable solutions that grow with your company's needs. Now, before we wrap up, here's the part you've been waiting for. If you're interested in automating travel expense approvals in Navan, you can get started completely free through the first link in the description below. We've worked out an exclusive extended free trial just for you, so you can explore everything Navan has to offer without any commitments. So, whether you're trying to save time, reduce errors, or just make the entire process smoother, Navan's travel expense approval automation can make a huge difference. If you enjoyed this quick walkthrough, don't forget to check out the free trial and see for yourself how Navan can transform your business's expense management. Thanks for watching.